role sa pag-raise ng ating funds for the prizes. No, every year, meron talaga tayong asthma activity. Pero this year, nag-isip kami how to bring asthma awareness sa community in a creative way. Kaya naisip namin itong art and poetry contest. Naiiba ito kasi this time, we hear from our children, we hear from the parents. No, ngayong umaga, witness tayo sa mga amazing talent nila. No? Ano pa ba yung amazing talent nila? This is not just about asthma. This is bringing out their talent. Yung spirit of competition nila, friendly competition, and sense of fun. So if you listen closely sa mga sinabi nila, if you look closely doon sa ano nila, sa paintings, grabe, ang gaganda. No, you will notice mayroong panagboy ng isang batang may hika. Pero lumalaban. Mayroong common denominator sa ginawa nila eh. There is a cry for a clean air, a cry for a clean environment. Sana marinig tayo ng community. Nakakatuwa nga yung local government natin. Active na dito. Mayroong active sila sa no smoking in public places. This is a good start. Sana lahat magsama-sama po tayo sa advocacy natin for a clean environment, a clean air. So pangalagahan po natin ang ating breath of life. So sa lahat, congratulations po, including people behind the scenes. Thank you very much. Sana nag-enjoy po tayong lahat.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Dr. Dolines. Yung po, this activity would not be possible without the collaborative effort of each and everyone, lalo na po yung mga na-mention ni Doktora. It took a while para po materialize itong activity na ito. Rain or shine, di ba? Tuloy ang activity. And hopefully, marami naman po na-enjoy sa ating activity. Meron na tayong natutunan, meron pa tayong mga papremyo, may pakain pa tayo ng mga freebies natin. Okay. So, palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa for a successful event. So, let's proceed muna while with the tabulation of our scores para po sa ating art contest. May konti pa po silang gina-resolve